Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have done my eyebrows already, and for today's look I'm going to be creating this very viral look from Maddie in Euphoria season 3. I went on Euphoria's makeup artist Donnie Davy on Instagram to find out what exactly this look was like, and it seems like a halo eye with the double winged liner. So without any further delay, let's get started. For today's look I will be using the Morphe Moonlight palette. It recently came on Nykaa. It is a beautiful cool tone palette. I also bought the new Morphe I Want It All brush set, so I think I'm going to be testing them out today. This is what the brush set looks like. It has, I think, about 7 brushes. When you're looking straight, this is where I'm placing that color, and with spring motions I'm going to apply it. I'm not going too in because we don't want color to be here. Now as you reach the the curve of your eyebrow, you're gonna start taking that a bit out. Like I'm just swiping that away. Like my brush is not touching all the way here. I'm here and then I leave it. Make sure your transition is not touching your eyebrow. I see a lot of people doing that mistake where the transition part is literally touching here and it kind of closes your entire shape. The Morphe M303, I'll come closer, place some of the color here, and now this will be your stamp. You have to create like an outline of your eye shape, like so, and when you reach here just bring it back into like a triangle, a soft triangle. I'm still not out of my eye shape, as you can see, and now we'll blend it with a pencil brush. Again, you can see that I am barely going on the inner side. When you pack a color and you start blending it, you do diffuse color a little on the left, right? So you don't have to necessarily bring color here unless you really want to. Now what I'll do is I'll take my brush into both color, tap off the axis, and I'm just going to blend this part. Taking my 303 brush again with the dark brown and bringing that back, putting that a little bit on my outer V, just under my hood. Using the first color, I'm going to blend it a little bit. This is how it turned out so far. I'm going to take the pencil brush, tap under the curve of your eyebrow, under the arch. I'm going to make like a small open triangle over here also. You have to be very careful because you see I'm still not at the inner corner and I'm trying to meet this brown, not going above. Now you can elongate it a little bit and make sure you're like in this kind of place, and then slowly bring it outside, almost negligible, just to give it like a slight shape. Now if you see the look, this part is very lit from within kind. Using my finger, I'm going to create a halo effect. I have to layer it if needed, but not go over the crease, because we need to blend this color to the dark. Taking the darkest brown next to black and just doing like padding motion on both sides. Now comes the real eyeliner part. You can't see on Maddie, but if you see the face chart of the idea of this look, the wing is not starting from your usual, it's slightly above. If this is your waterline, just slightly from above, do this. Just bring it below. Do eyeliner as you usually do. I'm using the Benefit roller liner for this, like so, and then use this upper liner. Don't worry if you go on the line because you can always clean it later. I'm going to clean this. Now we're gonna start with the lower lash line. I'm gonna apply a nude liner Now I'll take this color on the Morphe M383 and I will apply it like this. Color. I'm going to be applying it over here. Now I'll be using the new Maybelline Nano Sculpt Eyeliner. It's also perfect for the inner corner. Thin line across your shape first, and you have to also do it for the starting. Make sure the size of how thick it is even throughout. And now when we'll get to this point, we'll make just to fill in any area. Now using your concealer brush, you're gonna sharpen this and clean it up like so. I take my eyeliner and I go over the lashes, because when you're applying eyeliner, nude liner like this, you end up also applying on your lashes. Now I'm gonna take the white color and just bring some life back to my inner corner. This is the benefit their Real Magnet Mascara. When you do eyeliner like this, your mascara really pops. For my lashes, I'm using the Zico's Beauty Eden lashes. So that's all about it. All the products are linked in my description box. Some of them are on sale right now. Either way, I feel like you can really create this kind of look from what you already have. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. I'll see you in my next one.